Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 1. Today we are going to start our new series which is CSS. Basically CSS stands for Cascade Styling Sheet. You always create your pages using HTML, but CSS describe how HTML elements are to be displayed on your screen. CSS save you a lot of your work. So how? Type stackoverflow.com. So they definitely use the CSS. This is the page layout. This is the front page of the Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a website if you are not familiar with the Stack Overflow. Okay, so as you can see, the background showing an image. So how can you add the image using CSS? You can add the image using HTML, but you cannot display or you cannot add the background image using HTML. So that's why you need to add the CSS in your file or in your project. So view page source, right click, view page source. So they definitely use the .css. So as you can see, it's saying stack.css, and this is your CSS. This is the compressed version of the CSS. We will discuss about the compressed version and uncompressed version of CSS. So don't worry, we will discuss about each and every single property and the value. We will discuss about what is property and what is value in CSS. But before starting, we are going to discuss about the tools. That means the editor, IDE. So in this series, I'm going to use the Notepad++. So this is the editor. This is the basic editor. So I'm going to use the Notepad++. First of all, if you are not familiar with the Notepad++, so don't worry about it. We will discuss about the Notepad++. We will discuss about the basic usage of the Notepad++ first of all. And if you are using Sublime or any other editor like PHP Storm, like Microsoft IDE, so it's totally depend upon you. But I am using the Notepad++. So we are going to discuss about the syntax. How can you use or how can you manage your styling in a particular page in our next lecture. But for now, thank you for watching.